Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a tulip. Who's excited? I'm excited. Let's start. Okay, today I'm gonna use green and yellow paper. Also, we need 2 pieces of tape. So this is really important. Keep it for later. I am going to make a flower part first. So let's get started. Okay, let's flip the paper over to the other side. And then make a triangle. Make sure you match the corners. Okay, grab the right corner and then fold like this. I know this is a little bit tricky. And do the same on the other side. The bottom part is a little bit hard, so you need to push a little bit harder. But you can do it. You made a beautiful tulip! Okay, let's move on to the next part. I'm gonna use little, like light green. And all I have to do is roll. I know the first part is a little hard. Alright, just roll, roll, roll. If this is hard for you, you can ask your family. It's okay. Sometimes we need help, right? And put the tape on. And here we need another tape too. Almost there. Wow! You made a beautiful tulip. It will be a great gift for your family, friend, maybe teachers. Thank you for watching. Bye!